Hi, Rainbow. You know, a bird's anatomy is very specific. He has his wings facing in a certain direction, right? And his feet. So, anyone who knows how to cook and anyone who owns birds will spot something very, very different that I've discovered. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you what I got. I got this from Kohl's. It's a wine bottle holder. I don't have any wine bottles, so I have an empty bottle filled with water to stand up. So isn't this cute? It's a plush in the shape of a turkey or poultry. So when I was shopping, I made sure that I got a nice plumped one, right? So supposedly this is the breast, right? The turkey breast. Can anyone spot something's wrong anatomically with this? Supposedly this is the tail, right? And this is the back. So if you're a cook, you know the anatomy of a poultry, right? But look at the wings and the drumstick. This is the back right here. You see, with the tail. And this is the breast. Shouldn't the wings be facing the other way? And the drumstick? So this turkey plushy wine bottle holder or wine bottle cover that I bought from Kohl's is made anatomically incorrect. Just a little something for all our bird lovers and our cooks. And you know what? I thought I got a defective one. I went online and it's not Kohl's, it's other vendors selling the same exact thing. They're all sewn incorrectly. So the people who was making these plushy wine holder covers in the shape of a poultry was just taking directions blindly and sewing this, and all the turkey or poultry or chicken wine holder cover are anatomically incorrect. Isn't that funny? Okay, let's get back to Rainbow. Outrageous, right? It wouldn't happen if a bird owner or a cook made these, right? Kind of ridiculous to have your wings and your feet all backwards. It's like buying a Barbie doll, and let's say the head does not turn, but yet the hands and feet are facing the opposite direction. That's outrageous, right? I wonder how many discovered it before I noticed it. Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.